Hi, I'm Disha Ahuja from Ahuja Engineering Services. We are into fabrication, installation and commissioning of turnkey waste to energy plants. Here I am today at one of our locations inside Osmania University campus in Hyderabad, where we are converting their canteen food waste into biogas, which is used back into their kitchen.
So recently we installed a biogas plant. So right now we are utilizing for the hostel cooking purpose very effectively. I suggest all the hostels, institutions, those who are maintaining these hostels, so they can also utilize this particular facility, biogas plant, very effective. So by that you can save money and you can also protect the environment. So I request all the institutions and hostel management, you please come to Osmania University if you have any doubt, and you please observe the system and understand the system, then you implement at your place.
Hi, I'm Shruti and I'll take you through the live demonstration of this plant. So let's enter the plant and see how it works. This is a waste reduction unit or a crusher which will reduce the size of our waste and convert it into a pumpable organic slurry. So this crusher is operated with a push button system which is right next to it, and this part is now followed by the process of feed preparation or hydrolysis, where the entire organic waste is converted into a homogeneous slurry. So our pre-digestion process includes adjustment of certain on-site process parameters on a daily basis in order to ensure good plant health and a robust process. And in addition to these process controls that are happening on-site, we also take samples from these plants regularly and test them in our R&D laboratory. So after the feed is prepared, it is pumped into the anaerobic digester system, which has a unique design. So our digester is unique in many ways. In addition to the internal design features, we have also included slurry and gas mixing as well as temperature controls in order to ensure efficient breakdown of waste and increased biogas production. Now from here on, the digester basically does the rest. The anaerobic digester generates biogas on a continuous basis, and it is stored in these intermediate biogas holders or biogas balloons. But before this biogas is transferred to the balloons, we are sending this gas through an H2S scrubber, which is a hydrogen sulfide scrubber, which basically helps us clean the gas and then send the gas to the storage units. Before sending it to the kitchen, we have some instrumentation that I would like to show you all. The gas, after it is stored in the biogas balloons, travels to our gas flow meter, which is tracking the amount of production that takes place on a daily basis. And before doing so, we are also making use of a water trap. So the gas is flowing through the water trap and it is sent to the flow meter, and from the flow meter the gas is sent to this gas compression system, which basically pressurizes the gas to a pressure of approximately 5 bar. So the pressurized gas is then stored in this gas pressure tank. This gas pressure tank helps us store the gas as well as dispense the gas at the required pressure. From this gas tank, the gas is dispensed into the kitchen. As you can see, there is a yellow pipeline that is running from this plant into the kitchen so that the gas can be utilized for replacing LPG as a cooking fuel. Now let's see how this biogas is finally used in the kitchen. So we are inside the kitchen now, and the biogas pipeline that you saw outside is continuing into the kitchen and is connected to 2 dedicated biogas stoves that we have provided.
इधर मेस का इंचार्ज हूँ मैं, केयरटेकर। और इधर जो बायोगैस प्लांट इधर इंस्टॉल करा, तो जब से हमारे को वो सांबर आइटम्स, थोड़ा आइटम्स इधर पकवान हो जा रहा, वो अब तो चल रहा, अच्छा ही चल रहा। वेस्ट से ये निकल रहा बोले तो बहुत अच्छा है।
1 cylinder of LPG on a daily basis. So let me take you back to the plant to show you an excellent byproduct that is generated as a part of the process. This is a soil conditioner and an organic fertilizer that is generated on a daily basis at the end of the process. So every time the new feed goes into the plant, the digested feed or the digested slurry comes out of this digester and gets collected in this slurry tank. This slurry is basically the digested slurry, which is a very good organic fertilizer which can be directly used in your landscape area, and this has very good NPK content, which is as good as a commercial soil fertilizer.
మేడం నేను వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ ఒక 6 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ డ్యూటీ చేస్తున్నా. నేను కొత్త ప్లాంట్ పెట్టి కానీ బయోగ్యాస్కి నన్ను పిలిస్తే నేను ఒక మలేషియన్ వచ్చినాం, ఇద్దరం కలిసి ఇలా చేస్తున్నాం.
The entire plant is prefabricated and assembled at site, ensuring quick lead times and fast commissioning.
So now that you've seen the entire process, I'd like to highlight some key features of our plant. Safety is of utmost importance to us, and we have ensured that the safety is inbuilt in our plant design and engineering. We also give a lot of importance to the aesthetics of the plant. As you can see, this is suited for urban locations and has a very compact footprint. We also ensure remote monitoring on a daily basis